I'm going to start leveling here. Oh, sorry, not here. Oh, right there. So here is few rooms, few bedrooms, and I already checked this floor. So from this crack and floor sloping down from the entrance to this side and from here too. So I'll show you. So if we put straight edge, you can see how it's sloping down. So here is the flat. It's also going in the closet. If you see, and then if we go into another room, for example here, so and we will put straight edge. You can see how it's here sloping down to the bathroom. When I level the floor here, so guys who doing tiles, they can match floor with tiles, make it even. It's not a problem, just make it as mortar. So what I want to do now, I want to put here drywall pieces to block this entry, and also this bathroom, this here is the laundry. I want to block here, and I'm guessing I have to block this bathroom too, because maybe it's gonna be flowed to that side. So anyway, so need to level by the backs and turn to the washroom, level this room, level by the Z-backs, hole this hallway. Also I have to come to this room too by this crack. You see, when I slide the straight edge, it's make marks. This is high spot and this is going down. So let's go. First of all, I wanna put foam. I have foam, I have staples, and I have a staple gun. So let's go. So foam. Just take the foam. And get over here. Good job. Inside of it. So now I have to block doors. And for it I will use this drywall. I found drywall pieces. And just waste. Ух ты! why I'm using drywall, because with drywall very easy to block. Oops. And then drywall easy to remove. So I already put this drywall and put caulk on the bottom to avoid leaking. Here and there, it doesn't matter how you put it, you know, it was broken pieces, I just connect two pieces together. And another thing here, it's installed already, so now it's easy work. It's not concrete, not floating inside the bathroom. So next step, need to mix primer with water. So it's like here's maybe 1.5 liter, and I just wanna add same amount of primer, maybe less because I need more water for better penetration with concrete. So now it's okay, we can start prime the floor. So just take the roller. Okay, now. Don't scare to put more primer because it's protect you from it is new concrete will stick. So I have a question from one guy. He asked me about how many coats of primer I need to put. So just one. You don't need to put 3 coats or 5 coats or 2 coats. It's not finishing floor. This is primer. We just put primer for better bonding. And sometimes if you're not mixing primer with water and put few coats, when primer dry you can take it off like skin. So water give more penetration to the old concrete. Okay. So I put primer, foam, and block the some bathrooms and laundry. So now I need to install tripods because floor is not really even with straight edge for so long way. It's impossible to level it. So easiest way is this is tripod. So how I am checking? So I put the tape here and and turn on laser and just wanna check. This is right here. You see the line. This is. So now I wanna set up.